I don't know. Did you come for us? What are we going to do? Have you prepared anything?
Well, no.
Then I guess it's my duty to entertain them. I'm the most talented after all.
Oh, you are impossible.
And how are you going to do that?
But I'm going to sing for them, of course. Don't you want to hear my beautiful voice? Sing? Of course I can. Just listen. She'll be coming round the mountain. She knows. She'll be coming round the mountain. She knows. She'll be coming round the mountain.
And you call that singing?
Well, yes. You think you can do better than that?
That's not hard. Let me just show you what entertaining an audience means. Okay, let's try a little something. And I want to hear everybody sing. Di mana dia, anak kambing saya, anak kambing saya yang makan daun talas. Di mana dia, buah hati saya, buah hati saya bagai telur dikupas. Chan mari chan, chan mari chan, chan mari chan ketipu payo. Chan mari chan, chan mari chan, chan mari chan ketipu payo.
Ali, don't you want to sing something for them? No?
You're so shy.
Okay, well, it's my turn then.
And what will you be singing?
I know a nice one. If you know this one, sing along.
My turn. I hope you like this one. 左手锣，右手鼓，手拿着锣鼓来唱歌。别的歌儿我也不会唱，只会唱一首凤阳歌。凤阳歌儿哎哎呀，嘚儿啷当飘一飘，嘚儿啷当飘一飘，嘚儿飘，嘚儿飘，嘚儿飘，嘚儿飘飘一嘚儿飘飘飘一飘。Lee, come on, give it a try.
Lee? Oh, he's off dreaming.
Let me try another song. I know he likes it.
Okay, but you'll have to sing with us.
Singapura, oh Singapura, sunny island sets in the sea. Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Come along, join the song in merry singing. Blend our voices, join in the chorus. Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me.
Maklaman day mo na day.
see that? The girl, the beautiful girl.
That was incredible.
Where did she come from?
And you? Did you see her?
She was there, above the village. She was asleep.
But why? And how?
Please come back. Where have you gone?
What is he doing? Lee, come back!
Come back!
Is it me you're looking for?
No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me.
No, she's a beautiful girl.
Did you say beautiful? Ah, it would be me then.
It's me.
Oh, no, it's me.
It's me.
Oh, no,
It's me.
It's
It's me.
It's me.
It's me.
It's me. You're not the one. It's me.
It's me. Now you me seeks it. Me. It's me. Don't kid yourself. It's me. It's me. Me. It's me. It's me. You're not the one. It's me. It's me. Don't kid yourself. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's actually me. Hey, Oscar's coming. Oscar.
Hello, Oscar.
Who is that?
Hello, Lee.
Who are you? And how do you know my name?
I'm Oscar, and I have always lived here. So I know many things.
Huh?
I also know who you're looking for.
Who is she? Where is she?
Well, she's Princess Annie. But finding her is not going to be that easy.
You won't find her. Take me.
Take me!
Oh no! Please, take me.
Oscar! Oscar! Tell me where to find her!
Princess Annie fell asleep a long time ago. Your song made her appear, but she is still under the enchantment of the sleeping village.
She's sleeping.
How can I awaken her then?
Maybe your voice is pure enough to break the charm. Try singing again.
Try it, Lee. Try singing again.
But be careful. Who knows what strange encounters you may have along the way.
See what happens.
Who dares to wake up the mighty Lord of Fire?
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. I'm looking for a princess.
I don't know about any princess, but since you woke me up, maybe you can also revive my powers. Sing!
But you can do it. Help me.
Sing along, everyone!
Louder! Louder! My powers are back!
sikat mo.